Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a guest on booking.com. To get started, you want to go to the website and log into your account. You want to add a location, so I'm just going to say Burj Khalifa. I'm going to choose this very one right here, the first one. And you want to add the dates for this reservation. I'm going to just leave it 18 to 30th. Click on done. Okay, you want to add the number of people that will be staying for this journey. Alright, so we have two adults. If you have kids, you can just click here to add kids, and if not, just click on the minus to remove. And if you want more than one room, you just click on the plus sign. And once you're good to go, you want to hit on done. So you want to click on each of these to make adjustments. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on search. Wait for it to load. Alright, once you're here, you want to go ahead and select a particular hotel and make a reservation. I'm just going to select the first one and wait for it to load. You want to scroll down, and I'm just gonna reserve this very first one here. Let's say I like that. Alright, so once you're done, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on next. Alright, so this is where it gets interesting. Alright, so you just want to wait for this to load. Alright, once this loads, you want to go ahead and take note of the COVID-19 safety requirements. Then you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down until you can see enter your details, and let's say you're the one booking this flight. You want to go ahead and enter your details right there. Alright, now to add a guest here, what you want to do is to select I'm booking for someone, this one, and you're gonna be presented with a list of boxes right here. Full name of main guest. Alright, let's say the name is David N or Kane. Then you want to add the country of the person, and let's say Armenia. Then you want to go ahead and add the phone number of the person. So guys, this is how to add a guest on booking.com. Once you're done, you want to scroll down and fill the other details, and then you want to go ahead and hit go to final step. Guys, this is how to add a guest on booking.com. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.